Hi guys, what's good? It's your girl Lena and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for sliding on through. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. If you want to join the family, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button right there down below. Right there, hit that, and then turn right on around and hit that bell notification so you could be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, okay? Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Today, I'm going to be redecorating the living room because, honey, she needs a makeup. So this is what we're working with, just a little quick view. I already changed this rug out. I had a different rug in here before, but this is the rug that I got now. So this is what it's looking like now. This is the wall we're gonna paint. Okay. All right. All right, so the first thing I am doing is removing the picture and the nails from the wall. And I am going to start with the blue tape because, honey, if I didn't have that blue tape, we would have a whole hot mess. So very important, blue tape. I'm taping the area around the area that I'm going to be painting. And next I'm going to be taking the wall thing off the wall. I don't know what it's called, the wall plate. All right, and put a towel down because, honey, you don't want to get no paint on your floor. So put you something down there, sheet, a towel, whatever, and go ahead and start painting. I'm tired, and I'm gonna have to do like 2-3 more coats. But while that's drying, I'm gonna hang up this picture that I got, and it's all gonna come together. Y'all gonna see this paint looking a little green though. Supposed to be yellow. We gonna see. All right. So this picture has the two things on the back, so I'm gonna go get a piece of wire. Otherwise, it ain't gonna be straight. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been a couple days later, and I am pulling down that blue tape, and voila, it looks good. It looks so good. Got my Amazon package with the vines, and I just want to say that it's very important that you untangle these things before you start trying to put them up because they get really tangly. I put the vines up with command hooks, so I'm just taking the, I'm sorry the angle's off, but I just took the command hooks and just placed them right along the top of the wall. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start hanging up the vines. I tried to make them like uneven so it will look realistic as possible. So you'll see. And then I ran out of vines, so I had to order some more from Amazon. So this project ended up taking about a week, a full week to complete. So my package just came with the additional vines, and those kind of smelled weird, so I sprayed them with a little bit of Febreze. I didn't do it on camera, but I did spray them. And I'm just repeating that same process, just putting them on up again. See how tangled they get, y'all. They get so tangled. So again, detangle them things before you start. So now I'm taking the string lights that came with the first set of vines that I ordered from Amazon, and I am trying my best to put those up by myself. I will try to link the this Amazon link for the vines and the string lights in the description box. So if you want to purchase those, the link will be in the description box. So pretty. Those got tangled too, so just know that they got tangled up too. All right, so I had a few of these vines left over, and so what I'm gonna actually do is just cut it, like separate these a little bit. And I'm just going to glue them on here like so, just to disguise the battery pack a little bit. So I'm gonna wait. It's not really ready yet, but okay. I just glue this on here just to disguise it a little bit. Alright y'all, so this concludes the video. I am finally finished with my wall. I am so pleased with it. I think it came out amazing. This project took me probably like a little over a week to complete. Of course I had to paint the wall, then wait for the wall to dry. Then I initially only bought one pack of these vines, and that was not enough. So I ordered 2 more packs, had to wait on Amazon to bring it, took about 2 days. And then, yeah, I finished hanging these. So yeah, took about a little over a week. It looks so good. Like, I love it, absolutely love it. Like, it goes so well with the theme in my living room. I have a lot of plants in here. I'm getting ready to show that to y'all. As well as show y'all the full wall. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. As usual, please share this video, like, comment, and of course subscribe if you already have not. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.